Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to share with you a healthy and nutritious breakfast. Breakfast is so important because if you think of it, the whole night your body's been fasting, and it's really beneficial to your body to fill it up with something that's full of minerals and vitamins and will leave you full of energy to start your day the right way. And when I first wake up, the first thing I usually do is drink 2 glasses of water, as this stimulates your digestive system and it lets it work to its full capacity basically. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to create this yummy and delicious fruit salad, and I'm also going to be teaming it up with some of my nutritious waffles and also my ginger tea, which will heal you from within. So yeah, let's get started guys. Let's start our day the right way and fuel our bodies full of energy and minerals and be the best versions of ourselves. First thing I'm starting with is watermelon. This is such a superfood guys, and also top tip, when choosing your watermelon, always get the ones that have seeds, because without a seed it's not real guys, it's artificial. Because think of it, how can you reproduce something without its seed? It just doesn't make sense. It's totally against nature. So yeah, natural's always the way forward. This has tons of health benefits and it can even help prevent cancer. So yeah, it's so delicious too guys. Helps to hydrate you, and it can also lower inflammation within the body. Next fruit I'm going to be using is one of my favorite fruits ever, mango. This actually helps your body to alkalize. It's so amazing. I literally buy mango every single day. I just love them. It contains vitamins A and C. It also contains B6, iron, calcium, zinc, and vitamin E, and it's also loaded with antioxidants. It's so amazing guys. Just chopping up some strawberries. Strawberries are really beneficial to the body as they regulate your blood sugar levels. They also offer protection against cancer, and they also can lower your blood pressure. Also really high in vitamin C, and they can improve your immune system, which is really good because if you've got like a strong immune system, you're less likely to ever get sick. I'm just going to take a bowl and add all our fruits inside the bowl to create the fruit salad. Decided we needed a bigger bowl, so I'm just transferring it into a bigger bowl like so, but this is a good way to mix it all up. So yeah, I'm just transferring it back and forth just to get it all mixed up. Just adding some seeded grapes. These grapes taste so delicious and so sweet. Reduce high blood pressure, and they can also improve your kidney function. Last but not least, I'm just adding in some blueberries and some raspberries. These are full of antioxidants. These can help and reduce DNA damage, which may help protect against aging. So if you want to stay forever young guys, and they also protect against cancer as well. I almost forgot guys, I wasn't going to add these in, but they're Caden's favourites, so here I go, adding them in. And these are also high in vitamin C. Now I'm just going to place this in the fridge overnight and let it all marinate, and in the morning it should be amazing and all the fruit juices are going to mix together and it'll be super delicious. Actually looks so delicious. Also teaming it up with my healthy and nutritious waffles. If you want the recipe for these waffles, I've also made a video on it, which I will link in the description box below, so check that out as well guys. Also teaming it with my ginger tea like I said before, and that basically heals you from within as well. boost your immunity, and it's also good if you suffer from inflammation or stomach problems. And I'm gonna link the full video on how to do it down below if you're interested. I love to make this for myself and my little ones as it prevents them from getting sick, which is awesome. It really boosts their immunity and myself as well. Whenever I feel like I'm about to catch the cold, I just make this and it basically eradicates it. The waffles are ready. Time to plate up this healthy and nutritious breakfast for my two little beautiful angels. Let's see, I wonder if they will eat it. Who knows? It makes me happier than to see them fueling their bodies with beneficial, healthy food that basically talks to their DNA and boosts their immune system. But however, I'm not the type of mum like to force them. So, and I know, like, I understand how hard it is, especially growing up within this society. So I do let them, like, within reason, I kind of let them eat what they want as well. So, because I don't want to be like super extremely restrictive and then cause them like problems within their diet, if you see what I mean. What you can do is try, and I hope when they grow up they'll make the right choices. Right, here's your ginger tea.
Lava.
2 seconds.
Oh, that one.
Which one?
That one. The one on the right, that one.
Here you go. Do you want a fork? Oh, not this one. This one? Enjoy, guys. How would you rate the fruit salad?
Hey. I'm gold.
Oh, I am.
No.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do leave me a comment in the comment section below if you do try this recipe. I think Caden really enjoyed this recipe as much as my other recipes that we've tried, but anywho, you can't win them all. Tyrese and I loved it, and usually prefers to eat the fruit separate on its own. Anywho guys, please do leave me a comment in the comment section below if you do try this healthy breakfast idea. And also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for loads more content, and follow me on Instagram as well for loads more ideas. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Thank you.